RAMVAC builds a full spectrum of dental dry vacuum equipment designed for maximum reliability for your practice. RAMVAC preventive maintenance is simple and inexpensive. However, we recommend that all maintenance and service be performed by a trained dealer service technician. Follow this recommended maintenance schedule for a RAMVAC Bulldog or Bison vacuum in a clean, dry environment. Continue watching for details on how to check the drip rate, change the oil, and replace all filters. Checking the drip rate. The first step is to start the vacuum and run for at least 10 minutes. Second, look through the sight glass on the bottom of the drippers to check for drips of oil. Next, count the drips of oil through each sight glass per minute. The drip rate at each dripper should be 1 to 3 drops per minute when the vacuum unit is thoroughly warmed up. The vacuum setting is 7 to 7.5 inches of mercury, and the ambient temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note, the drip rate will vary slightly depending on the ambient temperature and oil temperature. Changing the oil. Start by operating the vacuum pump until the oil reserve is warm to the touch. Next, turn the vacuum pump off. Third, insert a container large enough to hold the used oil under the oil drain tube. The fourth step is to carefully open the oil reservoir drain valve and drain the oil. Note, if any water drains from the oil reservoir when the valve is opened, call RAMVAC at 866-383-4636, option 4. Unscrew the oil filter canister and remove the filter. If the filter is clean, reinstall the filter back into the canister. If the filter is dirty, clean or replace. Add clean oil into the canister. Then, install the oil filter canister. Mobil 1 15W50 is the specified brand and viscosity. Recommended amounts are included in the user manual. Start the vacuum and run for 10 minutes. Last, check the drip rate. Replacing the main filter. First, turn the vacuum off. Second, without removing any bolts or nuts, lift the vacuum controller off the vacuum pump. Third, slide the main air filter to the access hole and lift out of the filtrals and discard. Next, replace the main air filter and return the vacuum controller assembly to the vacuum pump. Last, return the vacuum pump to service. Replacing the vacuum controller filter. First, turn the vacuum off. Then, remove the retaining nut off the top of the filter. Third, remove the vacuum controller filter by lifting the filter over the teepee. Fourth, discard the filter and replace with new. Last, return the vacuum pump to service. Reset the S2 control maintenance clock by pressing and holding the reset button for up to 10 seconds while the oil change screen is displayed. The key points for trouble-free operation of the Badger LF include rinsing vacuum lines daily with the recommended quantity of liquid and line cleaner. In addition, the air filter should be checked on schedule and the pump head should be exchanged on schedule. The maintenance LED on the E2 control will illuminate every 1,000 hours. To reset the maintenance LED after maintenance has been performed, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the maintenance LED begins blinking. The air filter is accessed by twisting the end cap on the air filter housing in a clockwise motion. Replace filters every 2,000 hours or when visibly dirty. We have filters and other parts available. Use DentalEaseParts.com to find a part number for the items you need. For more information, contact RAMVAC customer service or visit www.DentalEase.com.